Hello guys, I'm gonna do I guess a walk around on my Yamaha 2006 250. Here's a quick walk around on it, just real fast, and then I'll tell you what the problem is with it and the problems I do have with it. Basically, there's no engine problems with it. I love it. I haven't had no engine problems with it yet. Probably had it for a year. Uh, I cut these grapples out. At first, they were a little small, so we made them bigger, and now they kind of, I don't know, they kind of look okay, but they're kind of different from both sides. Kind of dirty because we went to Larry, the track, and the bike broke. I only went like 4 times around the track. Uh, yeah, only 4 times around the track, and see, with the grapples too, this is more round, this is more pointy. Also, the front brake lever is broke, snapped off. There was in the last video. There was a double out there, it was like a FMX ramp, but it was dirt double too, and came up short, came up from the top, rebounded me like straight off the bike. So anyway, the video wise, I just got my dad brought me a brand new tire, so I'm kind of in debt. So it's like brand new. Only had like 4 times around the track. Yeah, I only went 4 times around the track because that happened. The hub and sprocket just completely killed itself over some rollers. I was hitting all the jumps, everything perfect, having no blast. And I went over the rollers and I just hear like a bing ding ding sound. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened. And that was only like 4 times around the track. So we got there pretty early, woke up early, everything, and that's what happened. Missing bolts from the back, back number plate. So I had to put zip ties on it. One of them broke off inside, and I got pliers and ripped it out. And the other one just fell off the track. That was a long time ago though. I think they work better than the bolts in the thing. The pegs. Dad dropped the bike on the cement, didn't break it in half, and bent it inwards. So I wrapped it up with tape. Not too crazy. A little butthurt about that, but pretty much that's it. Like with the air filter too, doesn't even get that dirty as I thought it would. I mean, it's kind of dirty, but not to the point where, oh my god, I need to change it, I'm gonna die or something. So with that, usually I clean the bike up really good, but I was too lazy to clean it up because I didn't even get a good time around the track or anything. So didn't even do it more than 4 times, so it's a little butthurt. So I just wet it down with the hose real quick. Usually I get it really clean too. So pro circuit piping on it, and soon I will get a new tire. It'll be blue, 550 with the rotors and everything on it, so it's pretty good. Don't have to pay for nothing at all. That's pretty much it. And that's pretty much the broken thing. I'll get that fixed, and man, I was buttered. So I have to go work out in the fields to get money to pay for this because I'm already in debt with my dad, like $90. So no biggie about that. Pay that off. Get more more writing in summer. Have 5 weeks, but I'm gonna be 5 weeks of awesomeness. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Look at my dog. Yo. Look at this puppy face. So, that's pretty much it. Just the pro circuit piping and grapples. They look like crap. First ones are too small though, but Yeah, just haven't went out where the jumping was in the videos you guys were watching. Haven't been out there in a while. Just to the track. I'm going out to the track a lot. I don't know why, because the track is fucking fun. So that's pretty much it. A little fortune kind of leaking a little bit. One more walk around that broken piece right there. But that's pretty much it. 2006 Yamaha 250.